Hey everyone, did you know that nearly 70% of construction rework happens because of leveling errors? That's a stat that really surprised me, and it's why tools like this Topcon RL-HV2S Rotary line laser are total game savers on job sites. If you're tired of constantly redoing work because your layout lines aren't straight or level, this might be the tool you've been waiting for. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. Now, I've used a bunch of line lasers over the years, some cheap, some expensive, and most of them either drift after 10 minutes or can't handle a real work site. But this one? It's different. First off, it's self-leveling, which means you set it down, press the button, and it automatically levels itself within seconds. No more fumbling with tripods or adjusting knobs for 10 minutes. That alone saves so much time, especially when you're working alone or under pressure. One of the coolest features is the dual slope function. You can set it to slope in two directions at once, perfect for things like drainage systems, ramps, or even parking lots where you need consistent fall across multiple planes. I recently used it on a backyard patio project where the client wanted a gentle slope away from the house. Instead of eyeballing it or using a water level, I just dialed in the slope on the laser, and boom, perfect, consistent grade across the whole area. It's accurate too, within 1/16 of an inch at 100 feet. That kind of precision means fewer mistakes and less rework. And get this, it has a range of 2,600 feet in diameter. Yeah, you heard that right. That's not just for open fields, it's for large sites. I used it on a commercial site last month, and I could still see the laser dot clearly from over 200 feet away, even in bright daylight. The included LS80X laser receiver makes it even easier to see the beam when it's too far or too bright for the naked eye. It clips right onto a grade rod, and the beeping gets louder as you get closer to the line. Super handy for grading, trenching, or setting foundations. Now, it's not just about range and accuracy, it's also built tough. This thing is rugged and lightweight, weighing under 5 pounds. I've dropped it, knocked it around, and even left it out in light rain, don't tell my boss, and it still works perfectly. The tool case it comes with is solid too, fits everything neatly and protects it from bumps and drops. That's important because let's be real, job sites aren't exactly gentle on tools. Another thing I love is how compact it is. It's only about 7 inches tall and fits in a small bag. I keep it in my truck all the time, so when a last-minute layout comes up, I'm ready. No need to haul out a big, bulky laser setup. It's also a Class 1 laser, which means it's eye-safe and compliant with most job site safety standards. That's a big deal when you're working around other trades or in public areas. But it's not perfect for everyone. First, the battery life is decent, about 12 hours on a single charge, but if you're using it all day, you'll want to bring a spare battery or keep a charger handy. Also, while it's rugged, it's not indestructible. If you drop it from waist height onto concrete, you might be out of luck. So treat it with respect. Overall, though, this is one of the best line lasers I've ever used. It's accurate, reliable, and built to last. Whether you're a contractor, landscaper, or even a DIYer tackling a big project, this tool will save you time, money, and headaches. The dual slope feature alone makes it worth it for anyone who needs precise grading or leveling. So if you're in the market for a high-quality rotary line laser, I'd definitely recommend checking out the Topcon RL-HV2S. The link is below, just scroll down and you'll find it. It's a solid investment that'll pay for itself in no time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.